was en hij is de arm van die guy zo vast. Nee, nee. Oké, hij was wel goed.
VR Trips Experience, our channel.
Trips Experience.
We are publishing it 11
So you do like walking trips around cities?
covering, giving that kind of experience,
Yes.
by vision and sound, from landmarks, cities, nature.
We always watch those kind of videos, so good luck with it.